This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Pivot up the radiator grille badge, insert the key and rotate it anti-clockwise to release the catch. Now rotate the key clockwise to release the safety catch and lift the bonnet. Support the bonnet with the prop. The engine oil level dipstick is located at the front of the engine. Withdraw the dipstick, wipe it clean, then fully reinsert it. Withdraw the dipstick again. The level should be between the max and min marks. If the oil level is only just above or below the min mark, topping up is required. The oil filler cap is located on the top of the engine. Unscrew the cap. Using a funnel, add engine oil until the level is up to the max mark on the dipstick. The coolant expansion tank is located on the driver's side of the engine compartment. The coolant level varies with the temperature of the engine and is visible through the expansion tank. When the engine is cold, the coolant level should be between the max and min marks on the front of the reservoir. When the engine is hot, the level may rise slightly above the max mark. If topping up is necessary, wait until the engine is cold. Slowly unscrew the expansion tank cap to release any pressure present in the cooling system and remove it. Add a mixture of water and antifreeze to the expansion tank until the coolant level is up to the max mark. Use only the correct antifreeze. If using forward antifreeze, make sure it is the same type and colour as that already in the system. Refit the cap and tighten it securely. The brake and clutch fluid reservoir is located at the rear of the engine compartment. The max and min marks are indicated on the front of the reservoir. The fluid level must be kept between the marks at all times. If topping up is necessary, first wipe clean the area around the filler cap to prevent dirt entering the hydraulic system. Unscrew the reservoir cap and carefully lift it out of position, holding the wiring connector plug and taking care not to damage the level sender float. Carefully add DOT4 fluid, taking care not to spill it onto the surrounding components. After topping up to the correct level, securely refit the cap and wipe off any spilt fluid. The power steering fluid reservoir is located on the driver's side of the engine compartment. The fluid level can be viewed through the reservoir body and should be between the min and max marks when the engine is cold. If the level is checked when the engine is running or hot, the level may rise slightly above the max mark. If topping up is necessary, clean the surrounding area and unscrew the filler cap. Add the correct fluid up to the max mark. Securely refit the filler cap. The washer fluid reservoir is located on the passenger side of the engine compartment. The washer fluid level cannot easily be seen. Remove the filler cap and look down the filler neck. If fluid is not visible, topping up may be required. Add a mixture of water and screen wash additive and then securely close the cap. Unhook the prop and lower the bonnet firmly. Remove the key and pivot over the badge.